Number one, why writing SMLE exam is important. Can we get good opportunities after writing Saudi medical licensing exam? Is it worth writing SMLE? Saudi Arabia is safe for single ladies? Question mark. To practice medicine. And last, we are living abroad and wants to move in Saudi Arabia. Is it a good decision for us to move there, for me and my family? Hello everyone and Assalam O Alaikum. Welcome to Dr. Salman Speaks. I hope you all are good and must be doing great. In today's video, let's talk about Saudi medical licensing exam and all those questions which you guys have asked me on Instagram, Facebook and other social media platforms. I just noted down 5 important questions which I thought I should answer them because these answers can help you all, and recording this video in English language so that most of our new foreign members can understand easily. And what are those 5 questions? Number one, why writing SMLE exam is important. Can we get good opportunities after writing Saudi medical licensing exam? Is it worth writing SMLE? Saudi Arabia is safe for single ladies? Question mark. To practice medicine. And last, we are living abroad and wants to move in Saudi Arabia. Is it a good decision for us to move there, for me and my family? So I'm gonna answer all these 5 questions in this video, so stay tuned and watch this video completely, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share with friends. So just start it. Okay, Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Question number 1, let's start. Why writing SMLE exam is important? Okay, like other licensing exam, SMLE has its own worth. If you want to live here in Saudi Arabia and wants to practice here, without SMLE you are not allowed to practice here. So you must have Saudi medical license to practice here. Once you have Saudi medical licensing exam cleared and you have SMLE and you have Saudi license, medical license, you can get good opportunity, and also it is easier for you to write other Gulf countries exam, and it can also boost your CV. So like if in near future you want to move Dubai, Qatar, Bahrain, you can move there. Okay, so now the question number 2, can we get good opportunities after writing SMLE? So the answer is definitely yes, depending on how good you are in your field, and if you have enough experience you can get good opportunities, but mainly in specialist field or in consultant field. They do hire general practitioners, GP doctors, for their foreign patients, foreign laborers, because of language barrier. So try your luck in different clinics and apply there directly, and they will hire you inshallah on a good salary. Okay, question number 3, is it worth writing SMLE? As I have mentioned earlier, it's worth having a foreign medical license along with your own country license. For example, you have Bangladesh medical license, Indian license and Pakistan medical license, then you have SMLE. Number 1, it can boost your CV. Number 2, it gives you a good opportunity to enter in Gulf region like Saudi Arabia. And so far a lot of foreigners, they are visiting Saudi Arabia for tourism, for Hajj and Umrah, you all know. So they do need foreign doctors here who can speak English and other languages like Urdu, Bangla, Hindi for their Asian expatriates. So it's worth having SMLE. Okay, question number 4, and it's the most important one. Saudi Arabia is safe for single ladies to practice medicine? Question mark. So this question has been asked a lot, and my answer is a big yes. It's 100 times more safer than India, Pakistan, Bangladesh and any other countries for single ladies, for women, for girls to live. Okay, so you can live and work here alone without any male dominancy, and nobody can say a word to you, like no harassment. and as long as you are following the rules, you are free to live here. You can practice your medicine here. And I have seen a lot of Asian nurses and doctors here who are working here for so long without any like negative vibes or any harassment, alhamdulillah. So if you are a single lady and you want to practice here in Saudi Arabia, Saudi Arabia is safest for you. So come and practice here. And question number 5, we are living abroad and wants to move in Saudi Arabia. Is it a good decision for us to move there, for me and my family? Now this is totally depend on you. If you want my opinion, I would say yes, because the quality of life does matter. And if I am here, I am because of the security and quality of life. And if you are moving here with your family in Saudi Arabia, you can have international schools, colleges, hospitals, infrastructures, and other basic necessities of life. And alhamdulillah, everything is here very much normal and very much good. So if I'm living here with my family, obviously very first reason is security and quality of life. So if you want to live a peaceful life with your family, then Saudi Arabia is definitely a yes. You can have good schools here, colleges, hospitals, infrastructure, as I have told you. So definitely up to you. But if I am here, I am because of these reasons. So these are the 5 important questions which you guys have asked me on Instagram, and I hope I have answered them well. But if you want to ask more questions and want to know more about Saudi medical licensing examination and life of a doctor in Saudi Arabia, do follow me on my Instagram, Dr. Salman Speaks, and you can ask me there, and I would love to help you all. So this is it from my side. I hope you like this video, and from me it's a big Allah Hafiz. Enjoy, love, and